The Jnc National Council (JNC) Central Executive Committee, led by President Sambormi Lingdong, has submitted a formal complaint to the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board (MSPCB) regarding the proposed public hearing for a Shree cement project in Ilaka, Nongklea, scheduled for May 22nd. In its representation to the member secretary of the MSPCB, the organization flagged several alleged discrepancies in the Environmental Impact Assessment EIA report submitted by the company. Speaking to reporters, Lingdong stated that the council is not opposed to development but is concerned over apparent violations of environmental regulations. He maintained that the proposed limestone mining project covering 217 hectares qualifies as a Category A project under the EIA Notification 2006, thereby requiring appraisal by the Union Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. He contended that the issuance of the terms of reference at the state level falls outside the jurisdiction of the State Environment Impact Assessment Authority, Meghalaya. The JNC also questioned the authenticity of the EIA report, claiming that portions of the document indicate it was originally prepared for a project in Gujarat. It argued that such inconsistencies cast doubt on the validity of holding a public hearing in Meghalaya. Further, the organization pointed out that the mining plan from the Indian Bureau of Mines, which it said is mandatory under existing norms. It also noted that the project site lies within 5 km of the Saipung Reserve Forest, which should place it under Category A, contrary to its classification in the report. Concerns were also raised over the disaster management plan, which the JNC claimed is based on outdated seismic safety guidelines that have since been withdrawn by the government of India. The council questioned why authorities, including the SEIAA and MSPCB, have proceeded with the public hearing process without a thorough review of the documents. It also drew attention to what it described as selective enforcement, noting that while minor violations are strictly monitored, larger environmental lapses appear to be overlooked. The JNC urged the state government and the chief minister who holds the forest and mining portfolio to intervene and clarify the issues raised. It further appealed to residents of Ilaka Nongklea to be cautious in land dealings, advising them to consider the long-term value of the land and resources. The organization reiterated its demand for a detailed scrutiny of the project before any further steps are taken.
Mentagas ngi na kaliang jongi ka Jnc National Council ngila pha ya ka jingtho ka jongi shaka Meghalaya Pollution State Control Board halar ka jinglap ka jongi ba kibun kene ka hapok ka EIA report jong kene ka Shree cement nak benta ban pelong ka public hearing ha by day bat ka mining ka jong ka bahai adu ars pa khanyo hektar ka point ka banengkong ngila penpaw ka jingtho ka long halor ka jinghe jong ka jaka ha ka jing shisha arhajar ars pa khanyo hektar kala de ban hapok ka kategori A ande ka ek bangilap ka long bakane ka company ka panhab ka hapok ka kategori B1 Takarkum ka EIA notification arjan riu ka kransyaya kata Henry Bangi ya kendu bat sekretari jong ka pollution board la pensyayangi bala dan ka jing pengkelai ka ne ka notification house nem arjar arpuar ta kala long ba hapo ars pa san peu hektar kadang hapo ka kategori B ta kata ka de ka wait ta ka bangi lap susu ka long ka ba e-comedy ngila banong mo ka ba e-comedy hadu kata bayakan ne ka terms of reference mo kata ka TOR hakaba ka State Environment Appraisal Committee kala approve ka day bala approve hapo Gujarat kat kum ka bapaw hapo ka notification tengis ngo phala ba kumno ya kane ka terms of reference ka bala approve hapo Gujarat kinyele ya ka mining hapo ka state hapo ka jilla Meghalaya takanehi kalong ka ba ikam kai hadu kata ban page ba kumno kine ki department kiba pher na du ka siya ka pollution board kiba day ban pet ya kene ka banta kumno ki claim examine ya kene ki court kisla hashwa bakin penbena bahkan sedon kata ka public hearing ta kene hi kalong ka bamla ban pediang bat kat kum ka nehi ka we ka benta jong ka EIA ka badon ha ka section 1.4 jong ka ni ka EIA jong ka Shree Shimen ka nehi ka jing kam jong ka Shree Shimen bayakane ki terms of reference na approve da ka Sarkar Gujarat jong kata ka Special Environmental Appraisal Committee jong ka Sarkar Gujarat ka nehi ka we ka point jong ka kene ka EIA kala long kala penyap lupa ya barok kini ki AKA kiba kene ke Shree Shimen kala penbiang bakumno ya ka approval kiba kila yo hapok Gujarat mentakin pentrekam hapok kene ka jela ke jongi hapok Meghalaya ta ka point ke balai ke bakongsan ke bangila res kene ke jingthok ke jongi ke long ba ha ka jing shisha haswa bangin pelong ya kino ki public hearing kamtama ka baide bar kene ke jingti ya umaushun lene ya kino ki marpok kendeu ki de bandon sha ya ka mining plan kat kum ka EIA notification handre ke bakat kum ke bangilap akane ka EIA jong kane ka Shree Shimen ba kimpat yo ya ka approval ya kane ka EIA ke jongki ya kane ka mining plan ke jongki na ka Sarkar India ke basau kolong ke ba ithamula kolong ha ka jing shisha ke Saipung Reserve Forest ke jengai tang 100.8 kilometer na kane ka project kat kam ka bapau ha kane ka EIA report jong kane ka Shree Shimen ha ka jing shisha hi bakano ka jaka ka bajengai hapo san lane 10 kilometer na kine ki State Reserve Forest ki depan hap ha kategori A ta kane rungis ngopla ba kumno ki penhap ya ka hapo ka kategori B kane hi kalong ka ka jingle butu jong kine ki company da ka bayade bar ki bor sarkar bar kine ki department ki beper kenang bakin la ban light na kine ki ain jong ka Sarkar India ha ka bayade bar ka environment lane bar kino ki mining ki kine ki ain jong ka khendeu jong ka banida mariang jong ka Sarkar India teledangi pai syaka disaster management plan jong kane ka company ha ka jing shisha ka Sarkar India hau benai match arajar arpunriu kala de wang ya kane ka CIMIC safety zone ne kata ka an ke jing yeda na ka jing ki jumai hendrai ka ba isngau pula kalong ba lai pusan sengi haden ba ka Sarkar India kala de ban wang ya kane ka CIMIC safety zone naka India kumno kane ka company ka shna ya kane ka DMP ka disaster management plan hapok kata ka ain ka balada ship bank ta kane hilong ka ka ba pensngopla ka nyingi kum ka Jnc tangila aya kane ka jingtho sha ka State Pollution Control Board bat ngila ai kopiru sa ka SIA bat ngila ai kopiru sa kane ka Ministry of Environment ta kat kum ka jingpau shushu ha kane ka EIA jong kane ka Shree Shimen kila kedeu sha hang to ba kane ka arspa khanyo hektar ma kane ka khendeu ka bam seisok ka khendeu ngila ban ong no ka khendeu ka bam don kam shu claim kano ka jing survey le ne kano ka jing test tengila pentip ru sha kane ka Ministry of Environment jong ka Sarkar India ka bdp ja ka thanot is borok ka we bakin screen ya kine ki jing tho bakin page benya ya ki jing tho ki bangi kum ka sang ngila bu ta ka khubor hi ka bangi kum ka seng ikwa ban pha syaki paitba bat syaki nong snong jong ka jela Meghalaya mana kene ngidang yo ki pulit kila penlong ya ke jing khenra ya kita ki kali ki ba pengkhen ain ma ki ba ta yit yong ne kino ki jing ki bam phong sit bel kene kita handre ka jing kali ka ong bakat kene ki jing pengkhen jong ka Shree Shimen ya ki ain ki kendon jong ka environment nandu jong ka state bat hadu jong ka central kajing kali bangi kwa banbu ka Sarkar jela ayu pinle na kabanta kane ha kajing shisha kini ki department ki detang kinong tre jong ka Sarkar bat ngi kenturu ya o minister jong ka environment ubabat hi da o CM buran buram mujongi bu unla halor kane ladaya karit kirya ka an ka trekam hendre menta pin pengkhenya ki an kajing wan jong ka Shree Shimen nadu banang kong kalong bean nadu pasdang ngila penpau sya ka Sarkar kajing pengkhen jong ka Shree Shimen ya ka Meghalaya Land Transfer Act hendre hadu kini ki sngi ngi ba ka Sarkar jela kadang sengap jar halor kene kamat dah kini ki sngi ki bala dep ngi ba kinong song snong kila bu kajing ujar sya keleng ki department jong ka Sarkar ban penpau ba kajing thmu ban pelong ya kene ka kini ki arspa khanya hektar kalong claim kajing bit jong ki trai jaka long menta sya ingin phai ke Syengin pain lada Seborok ki department ngila ujor kamdon ke respon kinong song kila mi sekhmat kamdon ke respon na ke government mentah ke jingkili ke bakrau ba kan yang ikum ke ribat ke jaj benriu lada ke sorkar kam terekam lada ki department kim terekam shengin pai kan lain nak stang ban le syaka honorable high court keberon buram ke jongi tengi kum ke Jnc hi ke jing syangim jukwa ban ngim da smart tan ban le chepok court henry lada ki jingkhang jong ke sorkar jelawat habang ila penisai kedar lengba ki proof ki sakhi ki bebiang syaka sorkar jela ban peni ba kine kila pengkenya kine telda ka sorkar jela kadang sengap jar ngim ban seng ha ban tit ya ka jingkhang jong ka high court bat ka ba i ka ba ngikwa ban ya ka sorkar Meghalaya ba nadu menno ki kot kisla ki bala approve apa Gujarat kin penterekam apa Meghalaya kene ka de ka we ka jingkili bang ikwa ba o chief minister badan buram mujongi ubaderu u minister jong ka environment bun ju pensai seng shengi ka seng kan resha upai ba jong ka jaj benriwi borok ka we ta kendiat ngikwa ban pha ka message ru sha kine ki try jaka what day tat dor ya ka jaka ka jong phi ngidang yo jing tip nang to nang ne ba ka jing thet ya kine ki jaka ki ba ars pa khanya hektar ka dong tang ha ka dor jong ka kendeu Andre kini kinong shnong jong ketuga shnong ki klet pat. Bakane ka company ka thet ya kini gejaka na mar ka don kam ya utu umar pok kendeu. Ya utu maur song le limestone bangi ang ka keten parang mo. Andre hatu uni umar dondor. Ublei ula ka khu yang ida kita ki mar pok kendeu ki balai project pok ka distrik ka jongi khamtam pok is jaintia bat ka state ki borok ka we. Andre ngikwa ban bu kajing apil syakipat ba kajing tentu syakipat ba what day tat dor. Ya kini ki mar ki mata ki ba ublei ula ai yangi kum ka jaj benriu kumbangi tip ba ka jing thet jong ka ki company ya ki jaka khamtam ki baidon bar kini ki mar pok kendeu kalong ka jing thet ka ba kum ba thet jur hayau ngila ban ong namar mentat ban thet jaka snaying tang ban snaying ngida hab ban thet da ki hajar ha ka square feet handai mentale kat notam ka dor jong tu umar kan ngimde ban kemen ya kata ka spa ka bengi yo klem da yo ijngai ya ka ka jing yo nong ka jongi le dangi ringi sumar kini ki mar pok kendeu le dangi hingi long try ya kini ki mar pok kendeu ka no ka jing kamai ka no ka jing ruspa jong ki pradok ki prasnam ki jongi henry ka ba pen sngosi ingi kum ka seng kalong baki sya elam bakala ha kini ki briu ki bawan nabat tangi kentu ya ka sorkar bakan le halor kane bakin kentu le ki pajba bakin perkat seni haswa bakin data dor ya ka kendeu ka jongki khamtam kuma kini ki por baka company ka thet ya ka ne ka kendeu omde namar bakin don kam ka kendeu ki don kam ya tu umar upadon hapo ka tu ka kendeu ta ba pide ya ki jaka ngi ka jan singi kwa ban pha ka message ka ba clear sa paj ba pensyong dor ya umar upadon hapo ka tu ka kendeu nang bakan long ka jing mentoy ka ya pi bat ya kitu kiwe kimat ngi kwa ba siam un pensyai sya ki paj ba khamtam bakumno kata ka approval baka ka jilla Gujarat lengba kata ka State Environment Appraisal Committee ka jong ka Gujarat kan la ban tereka mapo ka Meghalaya kan ne ka de ka dak jingkeli ka bakrau ngikwa ban bu khmat ka sorka